Throughout occult practices of the world, there is a philosophy that is common within every system of initiation. Sometimes called the perennial philosophy, this tradition of mystic wisdom is preserved in Freemasonry. This philosophy is said to originate with Hermes, founder of commerce, mathematics, agriculture, and the civilizing arts. It is known today as Hermeticism, and its 7 principles provide the framework for all esoteric thought. Here are the 7 principles upon which Hermetic philosophy rests. The first Hermetic principle is that of mentalism, which holds that all is mind, that what we call reality is composed of mental energy and is created by an all-encompassing universal mind. This principle states that the material realm proceeds from mental states and that matter is a product of mind. The second Hermetic principle is that of correspondence, from which derives the infamous occult axiom, as above, so below. This principle reminds us that the nature of the universe is fractal, and that the same fundamental principles are at work no matter how large or small the system we are observing is. The third Hermetic principle, vibration, describes all aspects of the universe, both material and energetic, as being vibratory in nature. It shows us that the universe is constantly in motion, that it is alive, breathing, and flowing, and not a static clockwork mechanism. The fourth Hermetic principle, the principle of polarity, describes the dual nature of all phenomena. Everything that exists has an opposite, a dual nature that can hold the key to the mystery of its existence. The principle of polarity teaches us that by finding the center point between the extremities of the poles, we can approach true wisdom. The fifth Hermetic principle of rhythm reveals the cyclical nature of the movement of the universe. In everything can be found the rhythm of nature, flowing in and flowing out again, a universal heartbeat that drives all life forward. The sixth Hermetic principle, cause and effect, describes the great chain of causality, the progression of events in the universe from the beginning of time stretching into the unknown darkness of the future. This principle also destroys the idea of chance and randomness, as all events are linked to all other events in this unbreakable chain of being. The seventh and final Hermetic principle of gender does not refer to the physical meaning of the word, but instead reveals that within all things there is some measure of the feminine and some amount of the masculine in varying degrees. These two forces are not merely the origins of sexual desire, but are the creative forces that give rise to all things throughout the universe.